This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Monday, the 24th of February. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather feeling good today. A lot of folks are up in the 60s, and we're going to see mild afternoons all week, and really much of the week dry. There might be a few spotty showers around on Thursday. Let's begin with the upper air look across the country this afternoon. And you get a little short wave coming through the Gulf. That has produced the rain yesterday near the Gulf Coast. Today it's producing rain across the Florida Peninsula. But for Alabama, we're in good shape. We've got some good subsidence, sinking air on the backside of that wave. The sky is cleared over most of the state. Still got a few scattered clouds over South Alabama. But all the rain is far, far south of here, now down toward places like Daytona, Orlando, Tampa Bay, St. Pete, Miami. So Alabama rain-free. And again, really no major rain event coming up anytime soon. Here's the watch warning map around the nation. Things pretty quiet. Got some fog issues off to the west and some wind issues back in the northwest. Otherwise, things are calm. A couple of small marginal risks through tonight. We have one over the southern tip of Florida and the Florida Keys. We have one over parts of Washington State and Oregon. Tomorrow, not a single thunderstorm expected across the country, and the same thing on day 3, which is Wednesday. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days, and just not much. And again, we'll mention a few spotty showers on Thursday, but moisture limited, dynamics weak. Some spots could see no rain at all through Monday of next week. Looks like the next really big rain opportunity would be toward the middle of next week. But let's take a look at modeling. Model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 3. That short wave is east of Florida. We have a northwest low aloft, just a beautiful day. We start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the upper 60s, low 70s. Just delightful. Gorgeous weather. So this is Wednesday. We're still dry. I think everybody, even the Tennessee Valley, will see highs in the 70s. We start the day in the 40s. Just delightful, delightful weather. And then that surface front comes in here on Thursday. Could it squeeze out a couple of showers? Yes, but the models are just not bullish at all with this feature. And that will knock temperatures down about 10 degrees. Instead of highs in the low 70s, highs will be in the low 60s on Thursday with some clouds around. And Friday, some of the colder pockets will likely be in the 30s, but we warm up nicely with highs in the 60s statewide. And how about a beautiful weekend? This is Saturday. Highs upper 60s, low 70s. And the same thing on Sunday, morning lows in the 40s. So just really, really nice, calm weather with pleasant afternoons, cool nights through the weekend. And again, maybe a few spotty showers on Thursday. So here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 3rd of March. A little short wave coming through Arkansas, and that's squeezing out a little rain west of the state. And that could bring some rain in here maybe by Monday night of next week. But then again, the next really meaningful event probably toward the middle of next week. This is Wednesday of next week, March 5th. And the trough that's over the western states kind of lifts out in two pieces. You have one that's coming out toward the Great Lakes. Another piece of the trough is hanging back. Down at the surface, and again, this is Wednesday of next week, we have a sub-1,000 millibar low that's over Michigan, and a secondary low, 1,002 millibars, over Alabama. And there will be some instability involved here. This is the surface-based cape, at least over the southern three-quarters of the state. But again, I want to stress, it's just too early to know the really true synoptic details. Certainly it's too early to know the mesoscale details of this. Could there be severe storms? Sure. On the other hand, it just might be a rainy situation with some thunder. Obviously, we don't know right now. This is more than a week away. But again, we'll keep a close eye on trends. As we all know, as we get into March and April, the weather can be very volatile here. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. The mean about 2 inches between now and the 11th of March, and that begins really with that rain event toward the middle of next week. Temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. Look at those mild afternoons. This is for Birmingham. Your number will be different if you're in South Alabama. Tack on a few degrees to these numbers. But the warm days, Wednesday, and then again Tuesday, Wednesday of next week with low 70s. And lows most mornings in the 40s. We don't see any sign of a big freeze for the next 10 days. And just in, hot off the presses, brand new 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for March 4th through March 10th. And look at there, temperatures above average over much of the central and eastern United States. Hey, let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam, West Morgan Middle School. 4th through the 8th grade in the house. And let me tell you what now. First off, this might be a new career opportunity or maybe not. But check out the cake. How many layers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, that thing was a masterpiece, and it was really good, too. But these kids were great today. We did some Monday morning science, convection, thunderstorms, tornadoes, hurricanes, storm spotting, and much more. They were absolutely outstanding today. So again, to all of these amazing students and teachers at West Morgan Middle School up in Trinity, in Alabama's great Tennessee Valley, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys are looking good. Tomorrow, going to be at Hatton Elementary School. This is the Hatton that's in Colbert County near Leeton. Tomorrow for a program there. Wednesday, going to be at Arden Preschool for the little ones in Greystone. Then I'm going to stop by Hunter Street Baptist Church for their ESL program to speak to the adults there. And then Inverness Elementary School on Wednesday, so it's a 3-for-1 special. Thursday, going to be at Winston County High School, Double Springs, Alabama. And then after that, I'll be in Tuscaloosa speaking to the special banquet for the Tuscaloosa Angels. And then Friday, Oxford Elementary School. And hot off the presses, we have a book signing Saturday in Hueytown. Hey. We're going to be at the Local in Hueytown on Warrior River Road from 9:30 until 11:30. We've not done one of these in Hueytown before. This is going to be a lot of fun. They're on the Allison Bonnet Memorial Drive. So again, the Local in Hueytown. That's a coffee shop from 9:30 until 11:30 on Saturday. So if you live out in Hueytown, Concord, Pleasant Grove, goodness, that is tornado country. Come see us. We'll have all the books, of course, including All You Can Do Is Pray, which is the book about April 27, 2011. We'll have all the children's books, the Benny and Chipper series, all the cool weather shirts. We have so much fun, and we take a lot of pictures. So Hueytown, Saturday, 9:30 until 11:30 at the Local. And don't forget tonight is Weather Brains, the weekly show for weather geeks, dweebs, nerds, dorks, and weenies. It'll be on the air starting at 7 o'clock Central Time on the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains. But most of you listen to the audio podcast. That'll be out late tonight. And show 1000, Weather Brains episode 1000, coming up on March the 17th. Everybody's going to be coming in. We'll be at one place at one time in Huntsville at Barron Weather. And we'll have more details about that as we get closer. And don't forget to watch us on television this evening, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.